In the vibrant kingdom of Merryfan, where colors danced in the meadows and the air shimmered with laughter, Princess Moy rode gracefully through the lush fields on her majestic steed. Her magnificent long afro curls bounced in rhythm with her ride, the sunlight casting a golden glow on her bronze copper sand skin. The enchanting aura she exuded captivated every pair of eyes, especially those of Prince Jake, a dashing young man with a matching afro and a shimmering complexion. From his spot under the shade of a palm tree, Jake watched in awe as Moy galloped by, her laughter mingling with the rustling leaves. It echoed through the fields like the sweetest melody, striking a chord deep within his heart. Jake knew he had to meet her, to tell her how he felt. With his heart racing, he approached the formidable king, Moy's protective father, to seek her hand in marriage. However, the king, draped in royal robes and adorned with jewels, had different ambitions for his daughter. Firm and unyielding, he declared, a noble alliance must be forged through status and fortune, not mere whimsy. His words struck Jake like a thunderclap, filling him with despair as he realized that his feelings for Moy were deemed insignificant by the king's standards. Despite his heartache, Jake refused to give up. At twilight, beneath the sprawling branches of an ancient mango tree, he and Moy met in secret. The vibrant sunset painted the skies with hues of orange and pink, mirroring the fire in their hearts. They shared their dreams of adventure and love, laughter and fun, realizing the connection between them was deeper than the king's decree. "Let's escape," Jake whispered excitedly, his brown eyes sparkling with determination. He revealed his secret: he had been gifted with the magic of light, capable of illuminating their path and guiding them through darkness. Moy's eyes widened with wonder as she spoke of her own gift, the magic of speed, allowing her to move swiftly and gracefully through any terrain. United in their resolve, they devised a plan to flee the kingdom of Merryfan. Under the cover of darkness, they slipped away from their homes, their hearts pounding with a mixture of fear and exhilaration. Together, they journeyed toward the enchanting Sunshine Valley, a land whispered about in tales, filled with breathtaking landscapes and vibrant communities. As they traveled, they encountered cascading waterfalls and fields adorned with flowers as bright as the sun. The people of Sunshine Valley greeted them with warmth, celebrating their uniqueness and the powers that made them special. Jake and Moy soon realized that this land, rich with acceptance and joy, was the haven they had always dreamed of, a place where they could live freely without the constraints of royal expectations. The days turned into weeks, and they forged lasting bonds with the villagers. Moy's speed brought laughter to children as she raced them through the fields, while Jake's ability to conjure light illuminated night skies, guiding travelers and making every night a celebration. Their love blossomed in this idyllic paradise. Together, they hosted grand celebrations where the aroma of delicious food mingled with music and laughter. Their union inspired hope, weaving stories of courage and love into the fabric of Sunshine Valley. In a joyful culmination, the villagers gathered under the ancient mango tree, a symbol of their love and shared dreams. They celebrated the couple's unique gifts, creating a tapestry of vibrant colors that filled the valley with warmth. With every cheer and dance, Jake and Moy realized they had not only escaped the confines of tradition but had found a new family among those who cherished them for who they were. And so, surrounded by nature, love, and acceptance, the couple created their own legacy in Sunshine Valley, living happily ever after, bound by the strength of their hearts, their dreams, and the magic that had brought them together.